Okay, here's a quick video to show how to migrate the old past exhibitions pages to the new format. And the first thing that I'm going to mention is when we go and look at the working version of the past exhibitions page, is that it is full width. It's because it's not part of the menu yet. When it is part of the menu, this will appear and the column will push all the content into the narrower column that's your standard column. But that'll happen automatically. So I've created a new view page, set of rules to assemble all the content that we're going to create. So the working version is that past-exhibitions-v2. We'll change that to the full proper path of the past exhibitions once you folks have all the content there and you're happy with it. I can do that very quickly for you. Okay, so I have done one sample past exhibition, and this is not live. I did reimagining progress just as a test, and I'm going to show you how you can do that for all the rest of them, including adding the thumbnail. And okay, so to do that, there's every exhibition since I've been around has an exhibition navigation. I'm just going to go to content so we can list them all. And it's that navigation. So what I did here is I'll just reset this and show you how I filtered. So I filtered on type, exhibition navigation, filter. And this lists all the ones that we've done. So the past 7 or 8 exhibitions all have this exhibition navigation. Easy to create the exhibition navigation for earlier exhibitions, but let's tackle these first, and then we'll tackle creating a new exhibition navigation. So I'm just going to go into Reimagining Progress, and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to show you the extra fields that I added into this navigation piece of content that will allow you to fine-tune all the content for this exhibition on the past exhibitions page, the new one. So when we come here, the first things we see are the existing navigation elements. This is what goes on top of every exhibition as it gets created. Title, then the main artwork gets added. There's some other fields. So you're going to see this already populated on the existing navigation pages that we already have, and you can ignore all that. The new part, the only part that plays any role in the past exhibitions, is inside this field set, and you can collapse the field set if you like. But let's go through. These are really straightforward stuff. Is the exhibition past? This toggles yes or no. It toggles it whether it goes on the past exhibitions page, the new one. So what this means is you can leave it set at no, and you can do a current or upcoming exhibition. You can get all the information in there in advance, and then once it's passed, you just edit the page, edit the navigation, and change it to yes, and all your work immediately goes live on the page that on the past exhibitions page. So in this case, for my test, I had this one on. So, but there are, let's go through the fields. Past titles. So this allows you to have a different title than the one at the very top. Completely up to you. Actually, sorry, this is the title of the navigation page and not the main exhibition. The main exhibition has its own title. My apologies. So, but you're allowed whatever title you want on the past, you can put here. Reimagining Progress was a great success, if you wanted to do that. Then you got a subtitle, which is the second line, and then the past dates. Just text fields for all these things. The order is based on the order the pages were created. If we need to add another field that lets you fine-tune the placement, we can definitely do that. But I don't think you'll need that, because as exhibitions come online, come current on your website and expire, they're kind of one at a time, so they're fairly linear. The description is the same rich text editor that you have for any other page, so you can include images in the description, you can include links, whatever you like. What I did is I just took the introduction for Reimagining Progress. I just stuck it in here as a placeholder, but you can write custom descriptions. You could put in here, our most trafficked exhibition, received the most press, was a great thing, that the people who put it on were awesome, links to their websites, whatever you want, completely up to you, and that will appear on the past exhibitions page. But probably best to keep it fairly short, just because it's a pretty long page to start with, and people are going to be clicking through to the actual exhibition if you choose to do that. The last bit is the thumbnail. So I made these 180 by 180 pixels just to match the public programs page. It's 180 pixels wide for these images. Some of them are a lot deeper. I think it would look slick if they were all both the same height and width, but I'll leave that up to you. 180 width is the important part. I'm just going to remove this temporarily to show you how. So this is what you'll come to on a new page, on a new past exhibition navigation page that you choose to edit when you click browse. So I would already have these things done. So for example, what I did is I just took the banner that Sasha created, and I just cropped the image element of it to create this, and then just browse that. Well, you're browsing your desktop there. Then upload. I'm not going to click it because it's already uploaded. Actually, I'll click it. What the heck? And then you should put in some alternate text, just sort of like maybe exhibition thumbnail or reimagining thumbnail or poster thumbnail, or just something there. And that you can ignore all this stuff here. And when you hit save, it will immediately be shown on the past exhibitions page if you have the yes chosen. And if you choose no, it won't show up until you choose yes. So that's really the meat of it. It's just playing around in this field set area with content, and then uploading a thumbnail file that you've created yourself. That will do you for, I'll just content, for all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can go ahead and re-edit the Reimagining Progress and put in the real content that you want, and you can edit each of the other 6 and put in the past exhibition content. Nothing's live yet, so feel free to do whatever you want. And as you complete those and click yes, they will show up on the new past exhibitions page, and you can see how it's looking. If it's obvious that something's not working out well, just get in touch. But there are, let's go to past exhibitions. There are a number of past exhibitions. So when I came to help out with the Brower Center's website, these things were ordered sort of oldest first, and they're not pretty. Anyhow, so these don't have any exhibition navigation created for them because we only started doing that for the past 7 shows, and at the time there's also past public programs here. I think that was associated with the exhibition. So this single exhibition has tons of content on this page. I'm sure you folks are going to tighten that up. But yeah, so land use I think was the first one that we did that had the actual exhibition navigation and the clickable stuff. So the other ones need to be created. And the way to do that is I would just take, creating a brand new exhibition navigation. I'm just going to copy the title, content, add content, exhibition navigation, throw in that title. I'll just do test. You can ignore all of the stuff other than what's in the past exhibitions field set. So we'll turn it to yes. We'll set our title here. New custom title, subtitle, dates, and some description. And I do not have a thumbnail made for it, so I'll just reuse this one. Open, upload. Don't have to worry about overwriting those images. Alternate text. It basically helps Google index images and helps people with screen readers know that there's an image there. That's it. Everything else is done. Save. And this page, so I've just hit save, and it's shown the actual view of the navigation. This isn't used anywhere, so you can ignore the fact that this doesn't look pretty. It doesn't show up anywhere on the site. So now when we go, just find that page, past exhibitions, and I reload it. There's our new one with the custom title, subtitle, dates, and description. As the description gets filled out and pushed down, it will this will line up to the top. Maybe I'll go ahead and fix it so it's by default lined up to the top, even if the description is tiny. That's it. So I'm going to go and delete this one now. And if you have any questions, get in touch, and I will definitely be able to help you. Okay.